So okay, as an tradition, actually we can chant the prayer before reading Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
I will just show you, and later on we'll just read very quickly because 40 minutes is very short. For the prayer, there is a mantra. You go to introduction page. That is the mantra. And one mantra is not written there, and we'll repeat. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. I will chant that, and then you can repeat after me. And after that, continue to that Sanskrit part of the introduction. Start from Om Agyana Timirandasya, that one. Do you find that introduction?
Yeah, I think this one.
Yeah. Before that, there is one chanting. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. We chant that three times, and then go to this part of the book.
I don't see the first part in this book. The first mantra.
Yeah, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya is not written there. But
Okay.
Can you remember? Om Namo
Yeah. Namo
Bhagavate
Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya.
Yes. I gonna say it. Just 1 minute. I wanna see also. Usually I chant by heart. Okay. Please repeat after me for Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 3 times. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. We can just read that mantra very fast, the introduction. Later on, I will make a record for this, and then you can just hear from that record on YouTube. Om Agyanatimirandasya Jananjana Salakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Sri Chaitanya Manabhistam Savitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Tapada Kamalam Sri Gurun Vaisnavangsha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Varijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sagana Lalita Sri Visakanvitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandho Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrisabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hare Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Vacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Yeah. For now, it's done it for you to remember all those things. It is prayer to get the mercy of the teacher, from spiritual teacher from long time ago, so that we take permission to study Bhagavad Gita. Yeah. And also, I forgot to inform you that it's good also to read the setting saint and the preface. But actually, I plan to share you the video on YouTube about this, and we can together. Later, I will share the link, and now together we can hear from YouTube here. Let test if you can hear the sound while I'm sharing the screen. Let's see. Yesterday, actually, I tried with my friend that we can share the video. Wait, the computer little bit slow. Sorry. Okay. Just wanna make test first. Do Do you see anything on the screen? Do you hear my voice?
Yes, I hear.
Okay, now we'll test. This is the video you see. Setting scan. It's very nice presentation. How actually the background, why the war is happening. Yeah, why war the happening? Because Bhagavad Gita is being spoken, Lord Krishna, before the war. And then now, it is the background. Why that war is happening? Let us test if you can hear the voice. Okay. Okay, all you
It's
can
not
hear.
that loud.
Not that loud.
Yeah.
It's not loud. Yeah, cannot understand.
Oh, it is already maximum here, but you can hear it or not?
Can, but it is not like loud, so it's not clear to listen.
Not clear. Okay.
Others saying. Yeah.
So my suggestion that you can also see later on.
Yeah.
Here
You
just
can
enough
share the link.
because I don't know it is going to be like this. I thought it will be loud enough. This is already maximum here. Right.
Oh, Prabhuji, like you can explain a little bit about it.
Yeah. So
So we will start like from tomorrow onwards. Today we can read this one. Like you can explain today.
yeah.
The face and settings.
Yeah. Or we can try to see this video first. Just 5 minutes actually.
Okay.
If you have any question, we can discuss. Hopefully it's clear. Although maybe not so loud. Okay. It's very nice.
Hare Krishna, I think what you can do is you just share. Maybe you can stop you mute yourself. Just let the
Okay, I will mute myself. Try. I
yeah.
will try. Maybe that is. Before I am on mute myself. Okay, I'll try. Is it louder now or not?
You don't. I think can you try to mute yourself? You have no sound. Okay. Now you mute yourself.
But still, it's not right. But we can watch it.
Yeah. Really.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, I will share you later on also that video.
Okay.
It is very important because it is describing how the war happened. Yeah. Do you get something from that video?
Because I cannot really hear and I just see
Yes.
the picture, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
of the, yeah.
I will describe little bit. So actually, there is Pandava. And there is actually another cousin brother. Sorry. That was still going on. The sound. So actually, why the war happened? Actually, the Pandava is the rightful to the kingdom, because actually there is one king before, and then they have three descendants. First is Dhritarashtra, and then Pandu, and another one was Vidura. Dhritarashtra actually was born blind. So according to Vedic injunction, it's not fit to rule. When one is blind, he cannot rule, become a king. Why? Because king is supposed to be the protector and everything. And even if he himself is blind, how he could do the management, how he can do everything, because he's dependent on others to see everything. So, although he was the son of the king, he was not fit to rule. Although he is the first son. In the tradition, usually the first son of the family, of the kingdom, and the royal family, they will become king for the future, like that. But somehow he was born blind. And then there is Pandu, and one more is Vidura. Vidura is very, let's say, clever, and he is actually become like a prime minister, like the counselor for the king later on. He is not considered to become king because actually he was actually coming from, how to say, the servant, like that, the servant of the lineage, the mother of is coming from the servant, like that, in the royal servant like that. There is also long story about that, but we can take it from that. And later on, Pandu actually become king. Distarasa is not ruling. Why? Because he is blind. And then after that, Pandu was ruling, and then after some time he was going to not retire, actually just entrusted the kingdom for a while because he was tired and go to the forest. And then meanwhile the kingdom was entrusted to Dhritarashtra for temporary. And then when in the forest, the Pandu died. King Pandu died actually. And then he got 5 sons actually from his 2 queens. 3 of them is coming from Kunti Devi, with his Yudhishthir, Bhima, and Arjuna. And then also getting to another sons from Madri, another queen. So he got Nakula and Sahadeva. They are twin brother. So like that. So Pandu died when these five sons still very young. So they cannot directly rule because actually they're supposed to be the king for the next one. Meanwhile, Dhritarashtra also have 100 sons. Maybe for us it's difficult to understand how people can get 100 sons, but it's possible actually, because in ancient time, by the power of their tapasya, the power of their, it's like something like this is possible to happen. So the son of Dhritarashtra, there is a 100. It's called Kaurava. Yeah, they later on become known as Kaurava. Pandava is having good qualities. They are all having good qualities. But the son of Dhritarashtra, mostly they are bad person. Yeah. And then actually one who supposed to be continuing become a king is the son of Pandu. But meanwhile, they're still in the forest. And then meanwhile, King Dhritarashtra, while he is entrusted for the kingdom for a while, and he become attached. He become attached to the kingdom, although he is blind. And he start thinking, I was not given the kingdom because only I'm blind. So now I'm thinking to make my own son become a king. Dhritarashtra is not only blind physically, also he was very attached to the kingdom, actually. Which is actually not belong to him. Belong to his brother, Pandu. Pandu died, and now he is in the kingdom, in charge now. And he had planned to make his own son to become king. Although he is very, very bad person. He's very cruel and very bad. But he is very good in politics. It's very good in politics. And then when they grow up, Duryodhana is very envious of Pandava, and try to kill Pandava several times. Try to kill Pandava several times. And because Duryodhana is the eldest son of Vistarasa, the eldest of Kuru, Kaurava. So he was getting, what to say, his bad qualities is manifesting more and more. Yeah, because also Vistarasa, his father, is not educating nicely. So he was very bad person. And then both of them actually, both Kaurava and Pandava, after they coming back to the kingdom, they all performing education with one teacher actually, the same teacher. This Dronacharya. They study military art from him. And then when both of them growing and start actually ready to rule, Vistarasa not giving to them directly. What meantime, Duryodhana is hoping that he become king, which is actually not his right. And Vistarasa planning to make his son, our son, to become king, which supposed to be given to Pandava, actually. In the meantime, many bad plans happening. Oh, Krishna, the time is very fast.
Yeah, it's almost
The
there.
time is very fast. Another 10 minutes, the session will end. Anyhow, I think it will be good for you to see the video by yourself. And so today is Friday, right? So we will meet again on Monday for this discussion. So meanwhile, I will share the video to you, and then you can see yourself. And also good that you read the setting scan along with the video, and preface also need to read. And by Monday, we can start discuss the introduction. I hope it will be okay.
I don't understand what do I have to read?
There is
In
on the part of the book, there is setting scan.
which page? Setting.
Setting
Where
scan.
is it?
Before introduction, you can open before intro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot to mention that. Yesterday, I mentioned to you that to read directly to introduction.
Yeah.
Setting scan is very important also. Setting scan and preface. Setting scan is describing about how the war is happening. We try to understand why the war happened,
Mm.
why Lord Krishna become charioteer of Arjuna, like that. So you can read that also and see the video. Actually, the same thing. The one who make the video is actually just read from this, and then they put the nice video, as we see, and you can read that. And also preface. Preface is describing how that time Srila Prabhupada write this Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita as it is. Why it is important. And then we can start discussing introduction on Monday. I hope it will be okay to you, for you.
Yeah, I think my suggestion is it's really good that we go, go first what we need to know, and then if you have any document that, like video or any document that you might have like today, you just send it and then let us have a watch first, and then when the session comes, we got some idea, and then we just go through. We don't need to take time to watch, or I don't know, but
yeah. Because today, honestly, I'm not prepared to make, for example, usually will become very effective if we make PowerPoint and then make overview on it. It was very late yesterday for me to prepare.
Yeah.
And okay.
Definitely.
We can start on Monday by discussing the introduction. So please read the setting sign and preface by yourself. And you also can read the introduction. So for today, I think it's enough. Now already 6 o'clock. Somehow the session will end very soon, few minutes. So
it's very fast.
It's very fast. 40 minutes is very fast. Maybe.
Let's see for the beginning. Let's see how how it works for 40 minutes. And if it's not, what we can do is just to go back. Like we use the same link, the same ID, and go back. Like if you want to continue, we can start earlier, and I don't know. We will see how much time we need to do the discussion. But now 40 minutes.
Yeah, actually, I wake up early, and then I'm ready. For example, let me count, because in the morning I need to have arati. So start for 4:30. Usually 4:30. Yeah, it can be simplified. Even 5. Usually by 5, I already finished the arati. No, 5. 5:10 is also already finished. Yeah, we will see later. But this Zoom is only facilitating for 40 minutes for now. It's just basic free account. Okay, thank you very much. Party, so
thank you very much.
For not so much organized for the first day.
No, thank you so much. We just decide, yesterday, and then we start today. It's really less time to prepare. Yes. So thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. We'll see you on Monday. I'll share you the link.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
And maybe you share the record too to the group if you like me, we can.
Yeah, I will share.
Yeah.
I will upload it first on YouTube. Hare
Yeah.
Krishna. Jai Srila
Hare
Prabhupada.
Krishna.
Ki Jai. Hare Krishna.